Let's hop on to Zapier's interface and see how does it work. So this is how Zapier interface looks like. It has Zaps, it has tables, it has interface, chatbots, canvas, agents, and you can generate multiple Zaps and multiple functionalities like this. So try to understand it one by one. When you log into Zapier, you will find a very intuitive and user-friendly interface. It is designed to be visual, allowing you to easily pick your apps and define your triggers and actions through simple drop-down menus and clicks. You won't be staring at complex code. Instead, you will see a clear path, step by step, guiding you through building your automation. So what are Zapier's key functionalities? Some of them we discussed earlier, such as Zap, trigger, and actions. So let's move ahead to some more of the functionalities. While Zaps are the core, Zapier has evolved into a comprehensive automation platform offering several powerful functionalities that can truly revolutionize your workflows. Firstly, Zaps. We have already talked about these. The automated task between apps that dramatically improve your efficiency and productivity by connecting your different software tools. So this is Zap. Next is tables. Imagine a tailor-made database tool built right into Zapier, made specifically for automation. With Zapier tables, you can easily store, move, or act on your data. This is incredibly useful for managing lists, tracking projects, or organizing any information you need to feed into your automations. Next is interfaces. What are interfaces actually? Ever wished you could build a simple web page or form to gather information or manage workflows without needing a web developer? That is what Zapier interfaces are for. They are web page builders that let you connect and surface your data, providing a user-friendly front end to manage your automated processes. So this is incredibly useful for you. Next are chatbots. As the name suggests, in today's world, instant communication is the key. Zapier allows you to create intelligent chatbots and quickly add them to your Zapier integrations. This means you can automate customer service responses, lead qualification, or information gathering directly through the chat only. Next are canvas. For those more complex or visual thinkers, Zapier Canvas is a godsend. It is a visual builder that lets you map out, optimize, and manage even most intricate automated workflows. You can see how all the pieces connect, making it easier to design and troubleshoot. So until now we have discussed Zaps, tables, interfaces, chatbots, and canvas. Lastly, agents, something that we are going to discuss very soon in this course. So what are agents? This is where the power of AI truly shines with Zapier. Agents are AI-powered assistants that can automate multi-step tasks by reasoning and acting across various apps. You give them a goal and they can figure out the necessary steps, potentially even a learning over time, bringing a new level of intelligent automation to your fingertips. So these are the main functionalities of Zapier that you can find on the Zapier interface. There are multiple functionalities like this. You can also track your Zap history. You can also get some templates to work around and get started on Zapier.